sir.
Okay. So that was all. Means
Yes.
uh, your your speech is complete.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir, I want to say
Yes, sir.
something.
Yes, sir.
May I say in Hindi?
यस यस यस, बोलिए बोलिए बोलिए
Okay.
बोलिए बोलिए, हाँ बोलिए। प्रिया जी बोलिए, आप कुछ बोलना चाहती हैं प्रिया जी?
ओके।
हाँ
या सर, या
हाँ, बोलिए बोलिए।
पहले ऐसे होता था, मतलब पहले के पेरेंट्स इसलिए बेटे चाहते थे कि जैसे कि बेटे की शादी में दहेज वगैरह मिलता है और बेटे को ज्यादा सुरक्षा नहीं देनी पड़ती है, बेटियों को सुरक्षा देनी पड़ती है उन्हें, तो इसके लिए वो सोचते हैं कि पहले बेटा हो। और पहले लड़कियां किसी क्षेत्र में आगे नहीं बढ़ रही थी और खिलाड़ी में, मतलब खेल कूद में या किसी भी चीज में, लेकिन आज तो लड़कियां हर एक चीज में आगे बढ़ रही हैं, पेरेंट्स के अपने साथ भी रख सकती है। तो पहले के टाइम में ऐसा नहीं होता था, माता पिता लड़की के ससुराल में जाएं या कुछ खाए पिए, मतलब बहुत सारी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस थे पहले। तो इसके लिए कहीं ना कहीं माता पिता चाहते थे कि बेटा ही ठीक है, कम से कम वो ओल्ड एज में है, मतलब हमें प्रोटेक्शन देगा और हमारा जो भी है, मतलब सीनियर सिटीजन में जो भी मेडिसिन वगैरह, हेल्थ केयर वगैरह वो करेगा। बट नाउअडेज ऐसा हो गया है कि लड़कियां भी वो सारी चीजें पेरेंट्स के लिए कर सकती हैं, एफोर्डेबल कर सकती हैं, जॉब वगैरह करती हैं, इक्वालिटी भी हो गई है काफी, और लड़कियां हर क्षेत्र में आगे बढ़ रही हैं। माता पिता उनके साथ आफ्टर मतलब मैरिज भी उनके साथ रह सकते हैं। तो आज के डेट में, और मतलब पास्ट टाइम के से आज बेटर है। बस ये
ओके ओके फ्रेंड्स, नाउ नाउ
Basically, sir. Sir. Basically, sir, financially condition and supporting by old age. Their main reason.
okay
Main
okay
reason.
okay friends, it is now my turn. I am going to
Okay.
give my speech. Okay, so our topic is why Indian people prefer son over daughter. The first reason is dowry. Means in India still a lot of dowry is given to the father-in-laws and father-in-laws of our daughters. When we marry our daughters, we have to give a lot of money, like 5 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees, and 20 lakh
Above,
rupees.
sir. Above, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
we have to give car, we have to give bike, we have to give a lot of clothes, we have to give a lot of jewelry also. So dowry is the main reason that people of India, they always worry when a daughter is born in a family. Everybody is worried that from where I will get the money and how I will pay the dowry. Okay, so dowry is the is the is the first reason. And our the culture of India is a man dominated society. Means you see all the men are working on the shop, and very few girls, they are working on the shop. So the culture of India is man dominated society. And the thinking is लड़की तो पराया धन होती है। द
Yes, yes.
हाँ, द थिंकिंग इज लड़की तो पराया धन होती है और लड़का होगा तो परिवार का नाम रोशन करेगा। सो दैट थिंकिंग इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इट। एंड many people think that boy will take family's name forward and a girl will get married and leave. So that was all the reason, and I have some more points. Many families believe that we should not educate our girls because when we will do marry when we will marriage her, we have to spend a lot of money. So many people uh, think this type of thinking. Okay, now I have some more reasons. Many times what happens, like girl falls in love with a boy of some other caste, and she ran away from home, and she does court marriage, so that brings a disgrace for the family. Means this type of cases we hear in the newspaper many times. Many times our daughters fall in love with a boy who belong from different caste, and girl do court marriage, and often girl ran away from home. So
Yes, sir.
many people think that girls will bring disgrace to the family. That was also a point. And but and the other aspect of the coin is that many times we marry our girls, and marriage is not good. Means the boy means marriage goes wrong, and the boy he wants to divorce our daughter. So girls returns to her parents, and now her parents have to marry her again. So that is also a burden on the shoulders of parents. So this was also a reason. Okay. but
Yes,
but
sir.
but nowadays the time is changing, and people are educating their girls. Means many girls, they are doing very good. They are becoming IAS, PCS. Girls are becoming doctors, engineers, scientists, and they are working as a police woman. So gradually time is changing, and people are and the parents of means people of India, they are educating their girls. Okay. So and
Yes, sir.
there is a proverb: when you teach a man, you teach a man, but when you teach a woman, you teach a whole generation. So that proverbs is very good. When you teach a man, you just teach a man, but when you teach a woman, you teach a whole generation. So
Yes, sir.
that is also happening, and the mindset of Indian people is changing now, and more people,
Yeah.
and more people are giving education to girls. And uh, one thing is very important: if everybody will have sons, then how we will get bride for our son. Means in India, the girls and boys ratio is 940, and 940 women on 1000 men. So the problem is that if everybody in India will have son, how we will marry our sons, and from where we will get the bride? That is also a question. So the the conclusion, from my side is that we should educate our girls as we are educating our boys, because girls have the same capability, and they can, and in the old age they can look after their father and mother also. So that was some points from my side. And if anybody wants to say anything, you are free.
Very good opinion, sir, you have given. I completely agree with you.
Okay, thank
Yes,
you,
sir.
Priya. Thank you.
Yes, sir. From my side, Madan, I'm also agree with you. But sir, I would like to say one thing more.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, in before partition, the equation between gender was equal.
Mm-hmm.
They
Okay,
were
okay.
same, you know.
Okay, okay.
over 1,000, but now 940 on 1,000. 1,000, you know, the man.
Right,
The
right,
men are 1,000 and 940 women,
Right,
girls,
right.
I mean.
right.
So this
Yes, sir.
ratio
Yes,
has,
sir.
you know,
Defected
different.
by sex
I mean,
sex ratio.
the girls ratio is reduced.
Right, right, right.
You know.
Right, right.
So I mean, the old generation was that time girls were, you know, in a strong position, but now they have decreased. Now, you know, the girls' gender has reduced.
No, sir. No, sir. No,
As
sir.
you said, that they are educated, they are doing, you know, services, so many things. You know, family have is aware about that. But why this ratio difference this time? You know what I'm saying?
Yes, yes.
Sir,
So,
now time. Please check your data in a now time. Sex ratio is increasing in a female side. Now time is in a 2001 according to census of 2001. In a sex ratio is 1,000 male in 930 women. But
No, sir. Sir. No, Haryana. Please check Haryana state sex ratio.
right, right.
Haryana state is sir. We are discussing about all over of India now in
Okay,
a
okay.
particular state.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Then in this time, sex ratio is increasing in a very good positioning.
Okay, okay.
Sir, Gyan sir, in added in a one more topic in a historical problem. In our history, one king is fighting to another king. So they give to more soldier in a gang. So king is promoting to please give your son in my team, and your son is fighting from our motherland. So some people is supporting in son. In that time, if any king is sometime in that time, if any king is lost in war, then other king is attack in that king and kill the many people, like women, girls, and girls and women not fighting the soldier. So it is an important reason. Is our country. In our country, sex female is not to supporting in girls not supporting in my society.
Okay. So
Grammatical mistake.
we have Akash. Akash, give your opinion. What do you think about the topic, Akash?
Which topic, sir? Could you tell me, please?
The topic is why Indian people prefer to have sons over daughter. This is the topic.
Yeah, okay. I would like to first things in a sentences like yeah, here our areas. Okay, parents like only girls, not like boys.